Hey guys, Joseph here. We need some problem here, okay? So today we are not playing a game called Cartoon Cat again because it's time for a payback for this cartoon catty. And now it's time for a payback. And stop with the scream, okay? You're freaking me out. Okay, so it's time for a payback time. And let's get started. The flashlight. Hey Cartoon Cat, I came back for ya. Remember me? This is what you wanted. Here, the TV. TV, no, don't push me there. Wait, what am I doing? I got a face up. Come here, fight like a pig. Not like a pig, come here, fight like a cat. Okay, that's it. This means war. If only if I had the sword, it would have been easier to kill that cat. This blood leads to everything. Come on, cartoony cat. Face me. Up to here. I died because I tried to scream and my head is on the cat. They call me weak because I'm no longer to destroy that evil cat. Look, there's no way we can defeat that evil spirit cat. If only we have a time travel, we could fix it. That would... Stop with the scream! Yeah, come here. I'm the one that you wanted. Oh, you want her? Oh, yeah. No! This is like a horror movie now, where all the gangs come out.
Grampy's house. It never is too late. He will always play. And when everybody's resting, he's always full of pep. Everybody's gonna be over at Grampy's house.
Where's the cat? Oh, there he is. Okay, gang, let's split up now because it's time for my company to kill this cat. So go get it, go! Run to the cat! He's right over there. Go get it, run! Where is he? Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Go, Gadget, go! Go, Gadget, run! Inspector Runner. Inspector Runner. It's time for Go Gadget. Why did he push me? Go Gadget. Is this cat so strong, and why scream? Ba-da-da-da-dun. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-dun. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Inspector Gadget. Da-da-da-da-da. Inspector Gadget. Go, Gadget, go! Go, Gadget, go! Inspector Gadget. Inspector Gadget. Dun. Go, Gadget, go! Dun 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 dun.
No!
Hello? It's creepy and the cookie. Mysterious. The Adam family. Da-da-da-dun. Ba-da-da-dun. Da-da-da-dun. 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 It's the Addams Family music. And it's time for Hunt, the cartoon cat. He's the cartoon cat, the one. He's the cartoon cat, the one and only cartoon cat. He's the cartoon cat, the one and only cartoon cat. He's the cartoon cat, the one and only cartoon cat.
No!
Why is he here? Don't chase me right here. I run away. Run. That scream made me so scared. Okay, that scream scared me now. Okay, now I just got scared. I'm just gonna stay here. I tried to scream when I tried to kill the cat. They call me weak because he is strong than I expected. And don't forget, follow me on TikTok. If Cartoon Cat was real, I would definitely guess. Boy, if it's that. Stop! Please. You got Kool-Aid.
No!
Oh, I'm scared now. want me to die. Because you want me to suffer, right? Good. Boy, if I see that cat again, I will actually say. This is the map. Where I'm up here. Gotta get to the TV. Before I get past this. Cancelled project. Character design. Head, arms, torso, legs. Boy, if Felix the cat wants me to kill me, well, I will, and to suffer him. If you guys want me to suffer in this Roblox again, it's time to scream out loud and face it. Boy, screaming is not going to end up. Oh, Cartican is gone. Where did he go? No! Where the heck did he go? What? Oh gosh. Go, run! Don't let that happen. Sorry. Okay, I haven't paid attention with the flashlight now. Boy, if you Papa. Out of my way! Hey, cartoony! Get me! Okay, I thought he was gonna come after me, but hey, cartoon cat! Hey, cartoon cat! Hey, cartoon cat! I still have to scream because of this cartoon cat. Hey, come and get me! Ah! could be to be continued. And that means we will end in goodbye, kids. Goodbye, people who are keep watching.